Aira's R&D team creates a valve prototype without making a die or wax pattern. Using advanced 3D printing and our in-house investment casting facility. It all begins with design. Our R&D and engineering teams develop detailed CAD models and run simulations to validate the performance of our upcoming product. Once the design is approved, it's time to bring the idea to life. Using high-precision FDM 3D printing, we create a physical prototype of the valve. But why 3D printing for prototyping? Because it makes innovation faster, smarter, and more affordable. 3D printing eliminates the need for expensive dies and tooling. It reduces development costs, consumes less energy, and requires minimal rework or repair. Most importantly, it allows us to test, refine, and validate designs in a fraction of the time, helping us deliver advanced valve solutions at an affordable price for everyone. Every dimension, every feature is carefully inspected, because at Aira, accuracy is the foundation of everything we build. Next, the 3D printed prototype moves into our in-house investment casting facility. Here, a wax gating system is assembled directly onto the printed model, ensuring a smooth, controlled flow of molten metal during casting. The entire assembly is thoroughly cleaned using specialized chemicals and prepared for shell making. The model is dipped into a ceramic slurry and coated with fine sand. This process is repeated, layer by layer, until a strong ceramic shell is formed. Once the required thickness is achieved, the shell becomes a hard, durable mold capable of withstanding extreme temperatures. With the shell complete, we move to dewaxing. Using a high-pressure dewaxing machine, all wax is removed, leaving only the plastic core inside. But that's not a problem. The mold is placed in a high-temperature furnace where the remaining plastic burns out completely and the ceramic shell gains its final strength. Now, the mold is ready for metal. Molten metal is poured, allowed to solidify, and the casting is removed for finishing and machining.
Quality is non-negotiable at Aira. Every casting undergoes rigorous testing, spectrometer analysis to ensure chemical accuracy, tensile testing to verify strength and elongation, and impact testing to confirm toughness under sudden loads. This is how Aira transforms ideas into prototypes, quickly, accurately, and entirely in-house. Where 3D printing meets investment casting, and innovation becomes reality.